Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a three-quarter slip band for your female shirt. You can also use it for blouses though, but here we have been making a female shirt. So you can see how I'm sewing the three sides of the stay. I used a lady stay for this. It's not too thick and it's not too soft. It's a cloth stay. So I've sewn around the three sides. The only part I did not sew is the lower part because I wanted to use it to turn the band inside out. You can see it, how it works well. After this, you can take it to the iron and then you iron it very well. Observe that I'm not going to top stitch it as if I'm making a cuff. Now I'm ready to sew and I have notched the center of my sleeve. What you also need to observe is that the measurement on my sleeve band is also the same measurement on the round sleeve of my shirt. Are you getting me? I used 13 inches at the edge of my sleeve band, and then there's also 13-inch round sleeve on my shirt. You need the two to be accurate so there will be no excess or shortage. Now watch the way I'm just going to sew it gently to the other side. You need to do this gently because it's a circle you are sewing. So you need to sew it gently. Yes, don't pull it. No, don't pull. If you pull it, one is going to be shorter than the other, and that is going to give you an issue at the end of the day. So just gently sew it to the other side. Yes, you can see the way I'm doing it slowly. I'm almost at the other side. Okay, and I'm almost done now. Can see? Can you see it? Yes. Then I sew across the place where I started from. You can see the way I put the two together and then I sew across it. That is exactly how you should do yours too. So I'm done. You can see how it comes out with no excess, no shortage. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Then I'll see you in the next video.